The table below shows the distribution of ages of students in a class. What is the modal age? We have a multiple choice question here. So we will solve the question and then we will choose the correct answer. We have the table showing the ages and their corresponding frequencies. The question wants us to use the information found in the table to find the modal age. The mode of a distribution is the mark with the highest frequency. So here, the modal age will be the age with the highest frequency or the highest number of students. From the table, we can see that 2 students are 16 years, 8 students are 17 years, 4 students are 18 years, 4 students are 19 years, and 2 students are 20 years. So the age with the highest number of students or the highest frequency is 17. It means that the modal age is 17. So the correct option is option C. The modal age of the students in the class is 17 years.